Hi, my name's Sean, and I'm from Cycle Salvage, and today we wanted to talk about carburetors. We know out there in the marketplace there's a lot of selection, a lot of different places to buy carbs. We wanted to show you what separates our carburetors from everybody else in the industry. All right, so I got 3 racks of carburetors here off of CB750. This one came off one of the bikes in the yard, and you can see how dirty it is. We have found that a lot of other suppliers, when you order a rack from them, this is typically what they send you, a dirty rack that hasn't been inspected. And that's not the case when you buy a rack from Grim Cycles. We make sure that we go through every carb and thoroughly clean and inspect them. The first thing we do is put it in our hot tank, and this one came out here recently. You can see already how much cleaner it is than this rack here. Then we do a complete disassembly, and it goes back into the hot tank for another clean. When it comes out, we do an inspection of all the components, and if everything there is complete, then it goes into our ultrasonic bath. And an ultrasonic cleaner uses high-frequency sound waves to thoroughly clean all the hard-to-reach areas. Then we do a complete reassembly, and at that point, they're ready to ship to you. See, if you need a good rack of carburetors, now you know the difference between our carbs and pretty much everyone else's. We also offer a complete line of K&L rebuild kits. So be sure to check out our website at grimcyclesalvage.com. And if you don't see what you need on there, feel free to give us a call.